Today we got a perfect combination of an incredible location
paired with an outdoor paradise with amenities that'll blow your mind.
all rounded out with some incredible entertainment value, including this designer kitchen you see in behind me. Sound good to you? Then stay tuned because we get all that and more all on today's episode. All right, Chad, here we are in the Treetops community in beautiful Alliston. Now, let's talk about this builder here for a second. These incredible townhomes you see in behind us here are built by First View Homes. Let's talk about a builder that has stood the test of time. These guys have been building homes in Simcoe County for over 30 years. You don't find too many builder resumes that look like that.
Location, this is one of the most ideally located properties that I've seen. You're about 35 minutes to Toronto. You're about 8 minutes to Honda. There's a golf course across the road, walking distance to schools, not to mention one of the best parks I've ever seen.
The location is tough to beat on this one, there's no question about it, but let's talk about the home a little bit more in depth here. They certainly don't build townhomes like they used to. We've got over 1,500 square feet here, nearly 120 depth in the lot. You've got 9-foot ceilings inside, designer finishes. It is truly gonna blow your mind. And then of course, in addition to this great curb appeal, you've got parking for not one, not two, not three, but with the garage, 4 vehicles. Find me that in a townhome. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Not often do I start in the foyer here, but this is beautiful. Lots of natural light, over 100 square feet. It's just a couple steps down, lots of storage as well, all flowing into this beautiful home. Speaking of that, let's go take a peek.
Let's talk about a floor plan that I know you're gonna fall in love with. We're just shy of 1,600 square feet, and boy, do you feel it on this main level. It's entirely open concept, complemented with the 9-foot ceilings, flooded with pot lights in here, great views of the backyard. But let's dive into this kitchen a little bit closer. This is the ideal spot to entertain. Can't you just visualize your friends and family around this beautiful island? You got the quartz countertops, undermount sink, all the gold accents that's just on point. You've got a tile backsplash, the LG stainless steel appliance package, but it's just the pure amount of space, whether it's the counter space, the room to work in and around the island here, and it overflows beautifully into the dining room area with enough space for a harvest-sized dining room table. You're not gonna find that anywhere else, but that's not all. Check this out.
That's right, Scotty. I'm loving the open concept design flowing right into the living room. But let's talk about the things that you don't see, the upgrades. Hardwood from front to back, lots of natural light. You have some electronic blinds and a stone feature wall. The family's gonna love it here.
Now the main floor is rounded out with some important features on the functional side of things. You got a beautiful 2-piece powder room, inside entry to the garage, and it's all highlighted by this beautiful oak staircase accented with these wrought iron spindles. Let's head upstairs and see what the second level's got to offer. Now that main floor is tough to beat, I know, but trust me, the second level has a lot to offer as well. You got 3 generous sized bedrooms up here. The hardwood flows up that beautiful staircase into the landing area. You've got a 4-piece bathroom that's the ideal location for the guests or for the kids. In addition to that though, is the most key feature you only find in new construction is the laundry up on the second level. How convenient is that?
All that, we're not even in the primary suite. Welcome. A lot of square footage up here. This is huge. Ensuite to the left, a nice sized walk-in closet. Show me a primary suite that is large enough to have your own gym in a townhouse.
Now, in addition to the 120-foot deep lot that you have at the house, less than a 3-minute walk, here we are at Treetops Park, just down the road. Now, Chad mentioned earlier, this is the most incredible park he has ever seen.
That's right, Scotty, and I stand by that. Find me a park that has a premium play structure like this baby, or a nice toboggan hill like this. This baby's gorgeous. And for those summer months, right behind me, we have a gorgeous splash pad to cool the kids off on those hot summer days. And obviously, this park has a sports court. And can you hear that? Dad, I have to pee. Not in this park, because this baby's got its own bathrooms.
I gotta tell you, it is rare to get two brothers to agree on something.
Not often, buddy.
But I'm with you on this one. This is the most incredible park I've ever seen. It is epic, but they haven't forgot about the parents either. Beautiful scenery, rolling hills, lots of landscape, beautiful park benches with some of the epic countryside views I have ever seen.
We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Alliston. For more information on this listing and others, visit our website.